Though these words can be tough, I thought a thorough lesson would help you understand them clearly. As we go through each one of them, you will practice their meaning and pronunciation throughout this video. Hello lovely students, and welcome back to Tutorou. These 6 words look very similar, but they are pronounced completely differently. They mean different things, and using them wrong can change your sentence. In this exciting new lesson, we will cover these 6 words plus their meanings and when it is correct to use them. Through, thought, tough, thorough, though, and throughout. Let's go. Through. Through. It means from one side to the other. Through. I walked through the park to get to work. She looked through the window and saw it was raining. We went through the lesson without any problem. Though. Though. It's an informal way of saying although, and it means but or however. It's usually used for contrast. For example, I like spicy food, though this one was too much. She went to the party, though she wasn't feeling 100%. I need to think about this, though I like the idea. Can you see the contrast? Thought. Thought. As a verb, thought is the past simple from the verb to think. Think, thought, thought. As a noun, thought means an idea. I thought the movie was excellent. She went into a deep thought. I thought we don't deal with these problems. Thorough or thorough. British English pronounces this word thorough, while American English pronounces this word thorough, whichever works for you best. It means in great detail, carefully executed, clearly, carefully. He gave this kitchen a thorough cleaning. She did a thorough research at the university. He did a thorough inspection throughout this room. Tough. Tough. It means strong, hard, difficult to break or deal with. The exam was really tough. I struggled to finish. He is a tough negotiator. He doesn't give up easily. The steak was too tough. I couldn't chew it. Throughout. Throughout. It means everywhere, in every part or during the whole time. She smiled throughout her performance. The rules apply throughout the entire company. He was nervous throughout his interview. Now that we went through all these 6 confusing words, let's test your memory, how well you can use them in sentences. I'm going to give you 6 different sentences, and your task is to complete the missing word in the right place. Let's go. It would be difficult, but I didn't expect it to be this hard. She stayed confident the entire presentation. He gave the room a really clean before the guests arrived. She pushed the crowd to reach the stage. It was a decision, but it had to be made. I enjoyed the lesson. I found it a bit fast. Now pause the video, write your answers in the comments below, and I will check them for you. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more English advanced tips, and don't forget to share this video with anybody that struggles with English pronunciation. See you in the next video.